Tammy Baker and her daughter were returning from a dinner at her sister's home to their home in Sacramento on Halloween when they got caught up in a multi-car and bus crash on Highway 5. Ms. Baker had had a prior neck surgery in 2003 and several work comp claims concerning her neck injury since that time. We created this animation to not only help clarify what happened during the crash sequence, but to also help deal with the effects of her prior injury and her ongoing neck complaints. We were able to get the closed-circuit TV video from the bus that caused this accident sequence, which fortunately with some work showed that Ms. Baker's vehicle was completely stopped when this crash sequence occurred. Unfortunately, the video of the driver, which we believe would have shown he'd fallen asleep, was mysteriously omitted, and they claimed that that camera wasn't working. We needed to use animation to show the complex sequence that ensued after the bus hit the vehicle behind Ms. Baker, to show how first the flagman on the side of the road tried to stop the bus, and then the bus struck the vehicle behind Ms. Baker and 3 other vehicles before finally coming to rest. The challenge in every case where there's cervical spine surgery is that it only leaves a small scar, especially after some time has passed. So we also created medical animations to show how difficult it is to actually perform this surgery and the number of anatomic structures that have to be accessed before the surgeon can even perform the discectomy. In this case, you can see he had to cut through the muscles holding up the neck, then go through the arteries, the veins, and the nerves supporting the neck structures. He then had to go around the esophagus and finally cut away the tissue outside of the spinal area to get to the disc, which he ultimately needed to remove and replace to treat Ms. Baker's chronic and unrelenting neck pain. We finished this off with a surgical fluoroscopic image showing the placement of the fixation hardware in her cervical spine. UC Davis had offered Ms. Baker's prior lawyers $50,000 to settle her bodily injury claims. She asked us to take over the handling of her case, and after the judge ruled on all the pretrial motions and as we were about to begin jury selection, the Regents offered $1.9 million to settle her claim.